Hey everyone, this is Rosemary from the Rosenshine Games.
And this is 12th week of development of Vessels, Noiret Mansion.
And a quick reminder, the game is already on Steam and you can add it to your wish list right now. So this week was productive and also brutal, because once again I had to wrestle with scripts, and some things I ended up rewriting completely from scratch, simply because they stopped being good enough. I also took on board some of the feedback from the comments on last week's video, and I genuinely appreciate that, because getting feedback during development is really important to me. It helps me make sure the final product is as good as it can be.
The biggest change this week is the AI and the combat system. I added some new cool features in shooting system, and I completely rewrote the enemy behavior system, and it's so much better now.
The key improvement is the architecture. Enemies now run on a proper state machine system, which makes everything cleaner and way easier to work with going forward. I also fully implemented a new ranged enemy, the Longing. She fires a volley of 4 needles that deal damage to Iris. So if you ended up facing her in a narrow corridor with no cover, that's going to be a problem. And honestly, even I am finding the game harder to get through during testing now, and I build it, and that's a really good sign. The difficulty is landing where I want it. The HUD has also changed again. Yes. Again. I redesigned it once more based on last week's feedback. I'm still not sure this is the final version, but I like the direction. The health indicator is now a heart rather than a standard health bar, which feels much more in line with the overall aesthetic. And before I get to the most important part, a quick reminder that my previous games are waiting for you on itch.io, and my PSX asset packs are available on the Unity Asset Store. Links are in the description. And now the biggest news. From a scripting standpoint, 2/3 of the first location are almost complete, and it's really just polishing left on that section. And it's really cost me a lot of nerves, because every event script broke at some point and kept pulling me back. But it's there, and here is what that means. Last week I said the demo would drop once those 2/3 were done, and well, there is a very real chance the demo releases next week. To make sure you don't miss it, follow me across my socials, and if you haven't added Vessels to your Steam wishlist yet, please do it now. And I think that's everything from me this week. And of course, thanks for watching. See you next week. And now I'm going back to work.